Hey guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove and to add encryption in Messenger. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And here you can just simply go to the settings icon at the top of the screen. Now you can just simply find the option conversation. If you don't find the conversation option button, you can just simply go back, and here you can just simply long press the chat that you want to remove and to add encryption. I can tap on this. So after this you can just simply tap on delete, and now you can tap on delete, and it is a way you can remove and to add encryption in Messenger. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.